and welcome back to the Weather Centre. It's a cloudy and cool start to the day in the south, and that's as a result of a ridging high pressure system that is causing cloudy conditions in parts of the Western Cape as well as the Eastern Cape. And the cloudy and cool weather will now spread into KwaZulu-Natal throughout the course of this afternoon. And it's also a cooler day in the Northern Cape, with maximum temperatures being about 5 degrees lower than yesterday. This afternoon there's also a possibility of a few isolated thunderstorms in Mpumalanga as well as the northern parts of KZN, and towards this evening it will become cloudy once again in the Western Cape and also Eastern Cape. The South African Weather Service has issued a watch today for severe thunderstorms that can develop in parts of Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal, meaning some of the storms may be associated with large hail and damaging winds. We also have a warning for a high fire danger today in the Northern Cape, where runaway fires are possible. Now this afternoon it is going to be dry in the western half of the country with morning rain, and then towards this evening rain is possible once again along the south coast, as well as a rainy afternoon in the Eastern Cape and the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and then isolated afternoon thunderstorms on the highveld of Mpumalanga and in the northern parts of KZN. A very hot afternoon in the north, especially in and around Gauteng. A maximum temperature of 35 in Pretoria, 32 in Johannesburg, and also very hot in the Northern Cape and Limpopo, but then much cooler in the south, where maximum temperatures will be in the lower to mid-20s today. 21 in George, 25 in Port Elizabeth and East London, and 24 as well in Cape Town. Now a quick look at your wind forecast. Light winds this afternoon on the highveld with a moderate wind in the Free State, light winds in the Northern Cape, and also a fresh southerly to southeasterly wind today in Cape Town, and also a fresh southwesterly wind along the coastline of the Eastern Cape. And then tomorrow afternoon the thunderstorms will move to the far eastern part of the country. 31 expected in Mbombela and Polokwane. A much cooler day for KZN, 24 in Pietermaritzburg, 26 in Durban, with light rain around Durban and East London. For dry conditions across the western half of South Africa, 24 once again in Cape Town. And then finally also a cooler day for Gauteng on Friday, with 30 in Pretoria, 27 in Johannesburg, as well as a possibility for showers and thunderstorms now in this province as well. Another very cool day for KZN, 20 in Pietermaritzburg, 24 in Durban, with light rain now also reaching Port Elizabeth and an afternoon temperature of 22. That's all from me. Have a lovely day.